Everyone knows what the music represents. I want to know who Love Doctor represents. Are you an artist like that's coming back from like a background that's like kind of crazy or not? I want to know a little bit about your background story and
Yeah.
who were you before Love Doctor. So I want to know that if you could give us a little breakdown.
Yeah, for sure, man. So when I first started, making music, which is like back in 2014, I actually went by the name Kobe. It was Cobe at the time. So it's like, I'm just getting my feet wet
Oh,
and, learning the ins
yeah.
and outs of the music, stuff like that. So, as I got pretty much along in the journey, Love Doctor, it pretty much came from based on experiences, I would say, life experiences. So I grew up with nothing but women. So it was like a single mother. I got three sisters, and I grew up with females. So I had found, a lot about women and, their experiences and with men overall. I've been in relationships since probably middle school. Majority of my relationships, I've been this guy or this person that's just been giving and giving, so Love Doctor really came just really in perfect timing, man, because I got out of a tough relationship, pretty much 7 years. I went through the depression stage and gained a lot of weight, and pretty much just finding myself, that self-love journey, because I needed to get that focus on me, rather than just over time, giving to these females, trying to make them happy or whatever, I had to give myself that focus. So I thought of Love Doctor, as a brand, as a name, based on those experiences that's there to spread love across the world. Either you're through challenges in life circumstances. You know what's funny? People will think that I'm actually ask, or they'll ask that I'm a licensed doctor. You know what I mean? Like licensed. So just with the code and everything. So, but yeah, that brand goes a long way, man. Cause I'm in everywhere I go, you'll see me with the coat on. You'll be surprised I may not have it on. Either I'm in a club or something, man. But that name goes a long way just through relationships, through life experiences that I've encountered. And it's not only just for it's love overall. Right now we need love. We go through relationships, we go through a lot in life, and that's what Love Doctor is there for. I consider myself an R&B trap musician, so you get a little bit of both worlds. Either you want something that's upbeat, you want something that gets you in the groove, you want something that's mellow, you want something that vibe to. It's like any kind of feel that you want to be in, you'll get that vibe from the Love Doctor. So but yeah, man, that name just it came out in perfect timing, and I'm definitely just been pushing that ever since. The whole brand, passing out roses to the ladies, like my ladies is pretty much my big audience, out there.
Yeah,
So
yeah, for sure.
I gravitate to my ladies out there, but the guys is there also to rock with it too, with the music, and either it has something to do with their relationship or something they trying to hurdle through in life, or with their music, whatever they trying to do. So it all applies, man. But
Yeah, I had a really good question for you. So right now, since you're so experienced with the relationship factors and all this stuff that comes down with a relationship, I want you to give the audience relationship advice. Let's say they're trying to get at a girl, or they're trying to find their love life or their love of their life or whatever. What would you give as advice, since you're so experienced in this field, to like the average Joe out there trying to find his girlfriend or trying to make a move on a girl?
yeah, for sure, man. So I would say this first and foremost. You want to make sure you got your stuff together. Self-love is the most important thing that you want to have. Make sure that you got your things in order before you include someone into your routine, into your life. So but if you are at that stage where I'm open to a relationship, but I'm not out here just looking. That's what you shouldn't be doing. You shouldn't be out here just looking for a relationship. Let it come to you. Let that vibe,
Facts.
that person with that vibe, and just just travel on to you. You know what I'm saying? Don't be out here looking. That's why in the meantime you should be focused on yourself. You should be focused on whatever you're trying to accomplish. You know what I'm saying? Whatever that is, because you know what I'm saying, bringing somebody into that changes your whole routine, your daily routine. Either you have a daily routine where you work out or something, or you have your own hobbies or something. That's very important. But when you actually interact with somebody, you meet somebody, and the vibe is decent. We all know, and we should know, that in the beginning stage it always that bright, that light. You know what I mean? It's always happy in the beginning. You know what I mean? You get that feeling. But at the same time, it's like when you with someone, you want to make sure mentally, physically, and spiritually that person aligns with, those three pillars. And that's what I go by, a long way through my experiences. You want to see that person through the highs, you want to see that person through the lows. You know what I'm saying? You want to really build that friendship or that bond with somebody before you take that big step, because a relationship is not there to be temporary. It should be there to really grow with someone. You know what I mean? To the point where, you all want to share a lifetime together, And that's what you see right now. You see young people or people in relationships or in marriages, and there is a high percentage of, can't recall that, but of divorces out here, and it really comes down to like when it comes down to like when it comes to the lows, you know what I'm saying? When you're down, when it struggles, whatever that is, that's when you really see a lot in somebody, And I know with my experiences, when either that's through struggle or whatever, a female emotionally couldn't handle that, So you want to make sure that person is down for you, you know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that person aligns with all those things that you're looking for in a partner. Don't rush things. Build that relationship, like I said, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Don't let and also and I bring this up sexually. What I'm saying, don't even let that also take over. What I'm saying, as far as that bond or relationship with that person too. So they're either a friend or whatever that is. But if you want someone, a lifetime loving partner. Make sure it's right. Take your time, and what I'm saying, all things will just come in play. And make sure, what I'm saying, I be having, and appointments, what I'm saying, for the people who, what I'm saying, need anything, need any advice, sit down. So be on the lookout,
yes, sir.
For the love seat,
We need Luv Docta coaching, bro. Let's do it, bro. We got to get you coaching sessions. Book your session.
Man, yes.
Okay, another thing I had to ask you, man. This is like a serious thing. So you're a doctor. You are the Luv Doctor. But what is your opinion on getting vaccinated? Okay, I brought it up because I had a really strong debate with the other podcast co-host. He's not here right now, but we had a really big debate on the vaccine. I decided that I don't want to get a vaccine because someone else is telling me to get a vaccine. I want to get a vaccine because I want to get a vaccine.
Right.
But I want to know your opinion on it. What's your standpoint on the whole COVID situation? And what do you think? Is this a vaccine, or everyone's going to die in a couple of years from this vaccine and they're trying to population control?
Oh, my.
What's going on, buddy? Give us the sauce, man.
Man, I would say this. I definitely want to shout out to those people out there that have lost people, loved ones through COVID, or have caught 100%. COVID. You know what I mean? So very much condolences to that, and also those who may have caught it and fought through it. Have experienced that. COVID is as is really big. It continues to spread and has increased over time. I'm out of Chicago. Out here, so I would say with COVID, me personally, I'm not vaccinated. I am not looking to get vaccinated. And that's just for personal reasons of mine. For those that do have gotten vaccinated, they have their own personal reason why they got vaccinated. There shouldn't be any, what I'm saying, animosity or any differences between either somebody that has it and somebody that don't. There are a lot of things going on as far as with people with jobs and stuff where they kind of pushing that. you know what I'm saying, really hard, especially in the healthcare industry. But with COVID, man, I would say, protect yourself. I mean, even if you get vaccinated, there is a chance that you can still get COVID.
Yeah,
There are some
exactly.
sources out there. I can't remember the actual boxer name, but he got vaccinated, but he caught COVID still. But there are some sources out there where people got vaccinated and they're still catching COVID. So I would say you can't look at that as getting vaccinated as a protection, like I'm not gonna get it, I'm good, or whatever.
Yeah,
I mean,
facts.
I would say it's all pretty much how you take care of your health, and also you know what I'm saying. It's this is nature of God. You know what I'm saying. It's like what I'm saying. It is what it is. So if you get COVID, you get COVID. You know what I mean? I mean, it's I
Yeah,
mean, especially for the older ones, like in the older ages. I mean, that's more of a critical thing because that's a higher age
yeah, for
group,
sure.
and you can catch COVID.
Yeah,
But you just take care of your health. You still wear your mask. I still wear my mask anywhere I go. Even if
exactly. Yeah,
people with that got vaccinated, they don't wear their mask. But either way, man, I just say wear your mask. I mean, to protect yourself, protect your family. But vaccination, I mean, that's something I'm not looking into doing, and
yeah,
and
exactly, bro.
that's
I
that's
totally
just
agree
me.
with you on that.